Hi, Mrs. Cotton's friends. This is Mrs. Hejlek. I am going to be working with your teacher to help teach you some of the math this year in fourth grade. And this is definitely new for all of us. And so I know you guys have been getting to know one another and kind of learning your routine and your schedule. And we have been doing the same in my class, in my homeroom. And so you'll have to bear with me. And if I make a mistake or goof up, remember that I'm human and I don't know. Okay, here we go. So our first unit in math is going to focus on multiplication and division. We're going to be doing a lot with equations and writing equations, some word problems or story problems, you might hear them referred to as, and some of your just basic multiplication. So reviewing some of the things that you learned in third grade. And we're going to kind of take it slow because I know we had that little break in the spring where some of us were really engaged in our classrooms and then others were maybe not able to do all the work because of the situation that was going on with the quarantine and everything. So we want to kind of just refresh your brain on multiplication and kind of get us going again on that. So hopefully you have checked out extra math, and if you haven't, I will talk with Mrs. Cotton about setting you up for that. Excuse me. That is a website where you will be doing some fact practice. You'll start off with just simple addition and then subtraction, and then you'll move into multiplication and then division. So it's not a fun website. It doesn't have games to play or anything like that, but it does have it just allows you to practice your facts and get better at that fact fluency. So going forward in math, it's super important that you have a pretty good base, like a solid structure with your basic facts. So being able to add, 4 plus 2 is 6 and 5 plus 7 is 12. And so being able to recall those facts rather quickly. Okay? And I know for some of us that's hard to do, and it's okay if it's hard for you. You're just going to try your best and keep practicing every day, and hopefully soon it won't be hard for you. So if it is, just stick with it, okay? Because you'll get it. I know you will. So today's lesson, we're going to look at writing multiplication sentences or equations. So sometimes you'll hear them referred to as equations. Sometimes you'll hear them referred to as multiplication sentences. So in this lesson, on this assignment, they're going to be referring to them as equations. So if you remember, let me switch my camera here. So I'm going to pause.